fine, but then zoop, all of a sudden, and even when you said, Dad, I hope she does it today, that's, you know, sometimes that can happen with our swallow study, you know, depending on if our radiologist didn't feel like fluoroing as much as we did today, would we have totally missed it, you know?
I knew she'd get
There it is.
There it is.
Yeah, it was also before the swallow. So what's ending up happening is...
That's real obvious.
Yep. A little bit of the liquid. So right here is our, it's called the vallecula. It's just kind of like a little pocket. And then we've got another little pocket, the piriform sinus, lower down here. And so it starts to spill over the vallecula toward the piriform sinus.
Right
and
in the airway.
Yep, misdirected right into the airway. Yep. No cough response, no choke.